Okay, moment of truth. All back together, apart from I ordered the wrong aircon condenser, so yeah, I've had to wait for another one of those to turn up. Also, I haven't got any power steering fluid in there at the moment, so depending on what noises I get, I may not be able to run this for very long at all. But as an experiment, just to see if I put it back correctly, let's have a go. Fuel pump. Slow to crank. This might take a while because obviously there's no fuel this far. Still misfiring. Look at that shaky idle. Missing like a bastard. Sounds like a tractor. That's either injectors not running or it's just not got enough fuel yet. But I'll let it idle anyway because I want the coolant to pump around a bit. Oh, that sounds bad. Hopefully nothing serious.